Okay, guys, this is my little Easter setup that I have been DIYing. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of it, and you'll be able to see a lot of the things that I did. And I'm going to have a playlist listed below. So if you want to see how to make some of these, you'll be able to go to my playlist. And you'll also see how I decorated for Easter. So I'm just going to slowly go over here and just show you some of the arrangements I made and how I decorated my Easter decor all over my house. I mean, it's nothing special, but somehow it works for all of us and my kids. So we're just going to scan it real quick, and then my daughter's going to list my playlist so that we can show you how some of these are made. So I will just scan over here again, and then just did this other arrangement with the eggs and the lantern, and just, you know, a little bit of Easter here and there. Okay, and this is my hallway, and a lot of the Easter stuff I did is also here. So I'm going to show you just a lot of the little things that I made. My little checkered Easter bunny. And this is my table. I made this little moss Easter bunnies. And my little flowers with my eggs in it. So you can see a lot of the things that I made. Absolutely loving this. I love coming through here and seeing all the fun Easter decor items. It's my little 3-tier tray. And then we're going to go over to this table. That's also in my hallway. And you'll be able to see some more stuff. Also made this wreath, and that little cross has a light in it. It's not lit right now, but it's really bright outside, so I don't know if you'd be able to see it. Okay, my little Easter bunnies that I made. And this little Easter bunny too has lights on it. But you can go to my playlist and you'll be able to see all the things that I've made. This is my Christmas tree that I leave up year round. And we just have some special ornaments that remind us of our places that we've gone to. So I'll go through this again. I have this cute little bunny on the door. Also have a cute little bunny over here. Okay, this is where I store a lot of my crafts in this room. So there's a lot of crafts that I've made that I'm going to give away. So just bear with me, please. And you'll see a lot of the things that I've made. And again, we're going to list them in the playlist. But look how cute. Oh my goodness. Just love. My house is just ready for Easter. I've got tons of flowers in here. Usually this is what I do with my flowers. Like, I buy all these flowers and I put them in pots all through my house, and when I need to go find a flower, I basically just go pick one out of my arrangements that I just put it in a pot. So it's one way that I do it so it still looks pretty. And that way I get to enjoy them at the same time. And of course, you know my bear, he stays here year-round. And he likes Easter too. Hopefully he won't eat the bunnies. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. And if you would please subscribe, that would be wonderful. I love you guys, all my subscribers. You guys are wonderful. I know some of you are friends with my son, and some of you are friends with me. And I just want to say, I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday and that you go through my playlist if you want to know how to make any of these, or just sit back and enjoy it for the night. Just get a cup of coffee or a glass of tea or a glass of wine and just enjoy it. Anyway, thank you. Always be kind. Kindness always matters. Bye-bye.